Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of Christ Church Radio. My name is Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on understanding Treasury bills investments. Treasury bills are short-term instruments issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria on behalf of the federal government to raise funds. The CBN also issues Treasury bills to manage liquidity in the economy. What are the benefits for investors? 1. Has low risk as it is backed by the full faith of the federal government of Nigeria. 2. Very liquid and can easily be converted to cash. 3. Interest earned are tax-free. 4. It can be used as collateral. 5. A good source of steady stream of income as you have the opportunity of receiving your interest upfront. 6. Offers higher interest rates than savings account. 7. Have a maximum maturity period of 364 days, hence are classified as money market instruments. 8. Treasury bills are issued at a discount. Classification of Treasury bills or similar traded assets in Nigeria. 1. Nigerian Treasury bills. These are issued only for the purpose of raising funds to finance government expenditure. NT bills can be purchased by domestic, retail and institutional investors as well as foreign portfolio investors both in the primary and secondary markets. The primary market is where investors buy directly from the CBN through a public auction that holds bi-weekly or as announced by the CBN. The secondary market is where investors buy from existing holders of the bills and sell to other investors. The minimum investment to participate through the primary market is 50 million, but some banks and investment outfits allow their investors to bid at a lower amount as low as 100,000 naira. Last week, rates at the auction closed at 2.5%, 3.5% and 9.64% for the 91, 182 and 364 day instruments respectively. However, banks and investment outfits can resell to investors in the secondary market at lower amounts as low as 10,000 naira, especially firms with technology platform that enable investors to subscribe online. The current interest rates in the secondary market ranges from 3.4% to 9%. 2. Open market operations (OMO). The CBN issues OMO to manage liquidity in the financial system. OMO bills are currently only accessible to foreign portfolio investors and banks, and the standard size for trade is 250 million or as agreed by both parties. The interest rate for OMO is currently at an average of 9.64%. 3. Special bills. Special bills were introduced last year by the Central Bank of Nigeria to control the money supply in the economy with a maximum tenure of 90 days. Unlike OMO, this instrument is accessible to banks, retail and institutional investors with no standard minimum and with an interest rate of 9.7% as at last week. How does it work? To simplify, if you purchase 100,000 naira worth of Treasury bills with an interest rate of 10%, the bank or investment outfit debits your account with 90,000 naira. As such, your 10,000 naira interest is paid upfront. You may also decide to reinvest the 10,000 naira and collect at maturity. Upon maturity, you are paid the face value of 100,000 naira or about 111,000 naira if you reinvested your interest. You can approach your bank or investment firms to sign up to purchase Treasury bills. With the current high inflation rate, investing in Treasury bills rather than leaving the funds in your savings account will reduce the negative impact of high inflation on your savings. You can go for tenures that suit your cash flow needs. For instance, if you decide to invest your kids' school fees due in September, you can invest in a Treasury bill that will mature in September. Hence, you will not need to sell before maturity. Treasury bills are the safest form of investment and are suitable for investors with low risk appetite and with an investment objective to preserve capital. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For comments and feedback, kindly forward to rccg@rccgchristchurch.org or send SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.